What's up, everybody? Today we're out here at Sand Hollow again. We're gonna run Double Sammy. I've got a couple people with me. I got Bryce and Jade. They're gonna both drive, or at least take some turns driving some of this stuff, and I'm gonna spot them through it. So let's get after it. So you know what? This is not terribly difficult. So basically you can kind of see where the line is. You really don't have to adjust left to right either way. This isn't gonna like slip that much at all. All you have to do is make sure you're keeping consistent throttle. So like the same thing I told Jade, 2 feet to drive. So your left foot's your brake, your right foot's your gas.
Do that.
So that way you can have the ability to go quick gas, quick brake if you need to, and pin your heels to the floor, pivot your ankles. Otherwise your whole leg will sit and make chop on the throttle.
I felt that earlier. So.
Okay. Yep. Smooth. Okay. Hard passenger.
Hard passenger.
Yeah, you got to make this turn. So when you're coming up to this, all you want to do is make sure you keep your driver's side tires as close to this big shelf right here as you can. Okay, Bryce, take it a little driver. Perfect. Yeah, you're okay. Okay, now take this driver tire. Yeah. Right on the inside of this little hump. Okay, now you're straight. Not too bad for having not really done this at all. We'll keep coaching them through it. It gets a little more gnarly from here, but that's okay. Driver. Yep. Yeah, keep coming. Yep. Okay, come driver. You want to follow this crack. You gotta come driver. Yep. So you're gonna split that. There you go. Okay, passenger. Right there. Okay, we switched it up. Jade's gonna drive, so you're gonna just back it up straight the way we're going. Yep. Okay, you're gonna take your driver tire right through here, just on the inside of that rock. Perfect. And then you're gonna want to hold it, driver, and bring that driver tire up here, and then follow this down. Okay? Okay, let's try it. Yep. Perfect. Yeah. Okay, it's gonna drop. Yep. Dude, killing it. You can just come off this one straight. Woo! Yep. Okay, now crank it, driver. Driver.
Am I coming down here?
Yep. There you go. Okay. Perfect. Okay, straight? Yeah. Cool. And then once you get to the bottom, turn towards me.
Oh my god.
You don't like it? You're okay. Keep it cranked that way. Okay, straight. Okay, we're gonna go just straight off of this one. It's not bad. You're just going to be holding the brake the whole time. You just don't want to let it like come over and slam on the belly. Okay, about 2 feet. Okay, Now you're braking down in. Yep, just hold the brake. And then the same thing with the back tires. You just want to hold the brake so they don't come sliding hard. Yeah. Smooth. Nice. Okay, then you're just going to take your driver tire right down this on the inside. Sweet. And then that stuff you should be able to just drive off into the sand. She's killing it. Everybody's doing awesome. This isn't a particularly easy trail, and they're both doing fantastic. This next one, you're just going to take your driver's side as close to that rock as you can. Right here. Right up that. Yep. Woohoo! Nice! Dude, that's awesome. You're killing it. The thing is, I don't really believe you. Because you're doing really good. So, she says she's never done this before, but I'm a little sus. Nice. Okay, yep, that's good. And it's not going to drop as hard as I thought. Okay, come my way. Driver's side. And you'll driver's side right through here. I'll watch it. Okay. Turn driver. Driver. Yep. Straight. Straight up. Yep. Keep going. Okay. Turn driver. Driver down. Okay, go. Heck yeah, dude. Driver. This way. Driver. Driver. Okay, crank it my way. Yep. Okay, hard passenger. Straight. Slow through this part because you got a fall here and a fall here. Okay, let's go slow, forward. Okay, turn it down to me. Slow, slow. Yep. Okay, slow, yeah, that's perfect. Hold that. Like, hold that wheel angle. Okay, keep coming. Perfect. Nice. Okay. Yeah, it's a little off camber, but you did good. Did it feel like it was gonna roll? It's pretty stable. It feels a little weird. You probably felt better about it because you were on the uphill side.
I know. I was like, nah.
Bryce is on that rock's kind of close to my face side. That's okay. All right, so we're having a little switch up. It gets a little bit more technical from here on up the trail. So Bryce has offered to video and we're gonna drive up with Jade. She still wants to ride. She's not totally scared to death yet, so we'll do that.
Dude.